Hello everyone, welcome back to Nade's Creative Cooking. Today I have a low carb recipe for those of you guys that are watching your carb intake. You do not have to compromise taste to eat healthy. This recipe is very delicious. To make this dish, you need chopped onions and bell peppers, tomatoes, Old Bay seasoning, complete seasoning, lemon pepper, Haitian epis or your favorite marinade, Dijon mustard, liquid sazon, capers, lime, hot pepper, thyme, parsley, and olive oil. I have about 2.5 pounds of salmon fillet. The scales are already removed. First, I'm going to cut my salmon in pieces. I'm marking it first so I can have equal pieces because I want all the pieces to cook evenly. And then I'm going to wash the salmon with lime because I do not want it to have no fishy smell. Next, I'm going to mix the lime, the Haitian epis, the liquid sazon, Dijon mustard, the dry seasoning, and I'm going to mix it well together. And pour it over the salmon. Next, I have a pot on medium heat. I'm going to pour some olive oil in there. And then I add the chopped onions and bell peppers and let it simmer for about 1 minute. And then I add the tomatoes and let it simmer for about 1 minute. Next, I place the salmon in a baking sheet and I'll pour over it the onions, peppers, and tomatoes. And then I add the thyme, the parsley, hot pepper, and the capers. If you guys do not like capers, just leave it out. And then I bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now let us make the green beans. We need tomatoes, complete seasoning, onions, minced garlic, olive oil, and freshly grated Parmesan cheese. First, I'm going to remove the tip of the green beans, or you can buy the one that is already cut. Next, I have 2 large carrots that I'm cutting in pieces. First, I cut them in half, and then I cut each half in 8 pieces. Next, I wash it and steam it for about 10 minutes. After the first 5 minutes, I add the carrots in there. Next, I have a pot on medium heat. I add some olive oil in there. And then I add the onions and let it soften. The garlic. The tomatoes. And let it simmer for about 1 minute. Next, I add the green beans and carrots. And then I'll add the seasoning and give it a stir and let it simmer for about 45 seconds. And then I'll add the Parmesan cheese and turn the heat off. Et voila! This is so delicious and healthy. If you guys like the video, please like it, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also click the notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. I will see you next time, and always be creative in your cooking. I love you guys.